love math really? Tell me the truth. I love, but only a part of math. What do you mean by part of math? It sounds weird, right? Because math is math. There means if you have not listened, you'll feel that math is math. There's nothing changed in it or there are no parts, but there are. Till I know, there are 4 parts in math. The first one has all the alphabets and numbers. These have all the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which are performed with numbers, decimals, fractions, whole numbers, natural numbers, etc., etc., etc. The second is the variables. This word means vary, means which change its form many a times. Like we use x when we do the variables, when we perform with variables. We'll learn it further. The third part is the algebra. What is algebra? Algebra we are going to learn further. We are going to take more information about algebra, and the fourth part is the interesting part, which I love personally. That's the geometry, all about diagrams. Geometry is baked into geo and matry, which means geo means earth and matry means measurement, and that converts to measurement of the earth. So these are all the shapes, diagrams, angles, lines and colors. And this is only the part which add color and shapes to math, interest to math. And today we are going to start with the basic geometrical ideas. So let's start from the root of geometry. What do you mean by root? Root means from the point from where the geometry has opened. And it starts from one mathematician. His name was Euclid. Euclid was very intelligent mathematician and he was from Greek. He was Greek mathematician. He invented the geometry. Told all the world about geometry. What's geometry? He found about geometry, and this geometry starts from only one point. And that's the point. Point is the root of geometry. All this world has pooped out from this single point. So how do we draw a point? Yes, it's easy. To do it, you take a pen, pencil or what, and just pick. This is a point, or this is a point. Now, to do it more complicated or in a fancy way, we can take a compass and draw a point. Now, what is next? From a point, the first thing is pooped out is a line. How? When all the points come together, many points, they form a line like this. Now, when only 2 lines I'm talking about, only 2 lines come together, they make an angle. Angle is very interesting. This is the interesting part of geometry. And we are going to see it further. And when we add just one line to any angle, it makes the very first polygon, that's the triangle. What do you mean by polygon? Polygon is a shape which is made from lines, only straight lines, okay? Only straight lines, and which is closed. No curved lines, and it should be a closed figure like this. This is a triangle. Or else, when we do add 4 lines together, it makes square. And after that, you can take 5 lines, 6 lines, 8 lines, any number of lines you can take, but they should be straight and the figure should be closed. So, in the next video, or when we further talk about this chapter basic geometrical ideas, we are going to start with this line, then angle, then shapes, and we are going to poop out all the geometry from this point. So, see you next time in further geometry.